Darling, you send me. I know you send me.
Hey guys, it's Danica and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a what I eat in a day video. I am so happy to be back. I was gone for a few weeks because I was off for the holidays and then I was sick. I'm so happy to be back, but I feel kind of weird talking to my camera right now, but I'm sure that it's gonna pass. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm already on my second cup of coffee right now, so I'll see you when I eat. I've had a lot of people ask me about my coffee machine, if I like it, if I would recommend it. And it's actually an espresso machine. It's the Bravo Cafe Aroma. And I was gifted it 2 Christmases ago by my boyfriend. It is one of the best gifts that I could ever receive because I'm a huge coffee lover and I can drink about maybe 2 to 3 lattes every day depending on the day. I'm gonna link it down below if you guys are interested. You can get it on Amazon for a pretty good price. It's pretty easy to use. There's only 2 settings. You can just either turn it that way or that way, and that's for the steamer and that's for the espresso. You just add your ground coffee beans in here like I showed you earlier, and you can steam your milk in this nice cup that you get with your coffee machine right in here. The way that I grind my coffee beans is just with this little handy tool right here that I just got at Walmart for like maybe 15 bucks. And also a lot of people ask me about what kind of espresso beans that I use. I usually just get like pretty basic, like either Tim Hortons or Starbucks. I like them. And my favorite coffee creamer, I think you guys are pretty used to that because I show it in almost all of my videos. It is the Silk Hazelnut Almond for coffee. And that's pretty much it for my coffee machine. Like I said, I'm gonna link it down below if you guys are interested. supper, I just wanted a really quick and easy high protein meal because I just finished my workout, so I just wanted a good post-workout meal. And I have this leftover tofu that I want to use up. Also this leftover red onion, and I'm gonna add some celery and nutritional yeast, and I'll show you just that. It's really easy to do and it's pretty tasty. It makes for a really good post-workout, so that's what we're having for supper. Okay, well, it didn't turn out the prettiest, but it is really a good supper. It is filling and it is high in protein and really good. I always like to eat my tofu scramble on top of toast with some mayonnaise and some sriracha. I find that it's kind of like an open-faced sandwich, and it is the way that I like to eat it the most. I think it is delicious that way. And I've also made some tea. It is just some ginger and peppermint tea. I'm gonna go eat my supper now, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
Sugar be sweet, the world doesn't sleep.